There are several ways to stay young, both physically and mentally. Here are some tips. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can help keep your body in good shape, maintain muscle mass, and increase flexibility and balance. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats can provide the nutrients your body needs to function well and stay youthful. Get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for rejuvenation and repair of your body. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to help your body repair and recharge. Stay mentally active. Engage in mentally stimulating activities, such as reading, playing games, or learning new skills, to keep your mind sharp and prevent cognitive decline. Manage stress. Chronic stress can accelerate the aging process, so it's important to find healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Stay socially active. Maintaining social connections and relationships can help prevent feelings of isolation and loneliness, which can have negative effects on mental and physical health. Protect your skin. Protecting your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays can prevent premature aging and reduce the risk of skin cancer. Use sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30, wear protective clothing, and avoid prolonged sun exposure. Remember, aging is a natural process that can't be completely prevented, but by adopting these healthy habits, you can help slow down the aging process and stay youthful for longer.